right, Scotty. There you go. That's gonna bombs away. Move your knee.
Oh, the bolt's not gonna come out. Only the nut's gonna come out.
There you got one off. Hey, that wonky.
Yeah.
Wow.
Dude, this is a complete nightmare.
Yeah. Ooh, it's crusty for sure.
Every bolt I've pulled off takes a bath.
Bath time for bolties.
Yep.
Oh yeah, harder.
Deeper, faster, stronger. You should be able to spin that off by hand.
I got your nut in my hand.
Ooh.
It's
Hey,
hot.
wait a minute. Now I have 4.
Oh. Well, that's going swimmingly.
Try and tap that through. We may have to do a hammer and a...
little punchy punch. It's definitely loose. Yeah. If you get it gently with a punch, it'll be just fine. Look at that, dude. That's one
It's
down.
only taken friggin' how long to do 2 bolts?
About 4
Long
minutes.
enough.
Yeah, then you
Which
gotta do
shouldn't.
those two.
Yeah. But with the muffler out of the way, it makes it so much easier to get to the bolts.
Yeah, which is, well, good news is we had to do that anyway, so.
Yeah.
Fun, fun. Fun, fun. These aren't gonna be fun, fun.
Yeah.
But we have new ones we have to put on there, so it'll at least be nice.
These
I ordered springs for them last night because
cool,
they were
good.
cheap. So
All
I
right.
was like, you know what? It's cheaper to just buy new ones than us try to clean these.
Yeah.
So problem solved.
Yeah, because you'd wind up, not to sound like a so-and-so, but you'd wind up paying me more just to clean those things than it would be to...
Just have a new set. Get
Yeah,
here.
exactly.
Yeah.
And it's old enough that it's probably due for a new set of springs.
Yeah, it's not gonna hurt anything. That's for
No,
damn
it'll
sure.
definitely keep the ride to it.
Yeah, it'll help the boing boing.
Yep. So it won't be bouncy, bouncy, be spring. Should I do that again? Spring.
You are a special kind of person.
I am.
Anyway,
I remember when I was born, my mom said, "Oh my God, what a treasure." My father said, "Yeah, let's bury it." You know, it kind of is what it is.
anyway, so that bolt's gonna come out, and that arm's out, and then that arm's gonna come off.
Yeah.
And a little quickie cleanup. Don't spend hours. Quickie cleanup.
Damn.
Yeah, quickie.
I'd love you to just bath these things and put them back on looking brand new again. New paint and everything.
Yeah, it's just a quickie cleanup.
Yeah, no, I know.
It's
I
not
get
even
you.
don't even paint them because that's a lot of time.
Oh, yeah. I do. I would love it if we could start doing more restoration work.
Yes.
Because that's something I absolutely love doing. I just do. I don't know why. I've always liked
so
it.
much time.
Oh, yeah, and it does. But the end results speak for themselves.
Yes. All right. Next time you see this, I think both arms will be off, unless we run into a problem with the bolts on the
if you
other
want to
side.
keep them on the phone for the moment, I will grab a hammer, have you hold on to the arm, and I'll tap off that.
That arm's gonna rip my arm off while I'm trying to video.
So use your bad arm to hold the phone, and your good arm to hold the...
I don't have a good arm.
You ready? You better have a grip on it.
Wow. You're hitting something inside. I hit you in the ding ding.
Hold on to that as well.
Holding. Wow, that bolt doesn't look bad.
No, it doesn't.
We'll show that
Ready?
in a second. Yep. Set her down. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That bushing right here. But cocked. Alright. Set her down. Gently. I want to see that bolt. Because look at
That's
that.
a beautiful copper washer. Sorry, I love copper. I always have. Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah, that bolt's in actually really good shape.
Well, it's still going to get a bath. There's the nut.
But it's not.
No, it's not. I'm really impressed.
Very
Really
nice.
impressed.
Alright. There it is.
Boys and girls, ladies and gentle persons, peoples, whatever you want to identify as, we present to you an arm. No applause, no applause. Just throw money, throw money.
I'm gonna grab a sack of freaking quarters.
I know, bing!